Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to learn about selection sort. It is comparison based algorithm, same like bubble sort. The list is divided into two logical parts, the sorted part at the left side of the list and unsorted part at the right side of the list. Each pass sort one element. This algorithm also not used for large data. So here is the sample array. Suppose this is array of 6 elements. So pass 1. First compare 12 with 82, and obviously 12 is less than 82. So 12 is the smallest number, and then 12 compare with 63, 12 is smallest, and then compare 12 with 5, 5 is smallest number till now. Then compare 5 with 90, 5 is less than 90, which is true. Compare with 11 and compare with 44, 5 is smallest, then 5 is here. Only one element is sorted, so the sorted list is here. So now start from here in second pass. Now compare 82 with 63, 63 is smaller, then compare 63 with 12 and 12 is smaller. So 12 till now is smaller, then compare 12 with 90, 12 is smaller, then compare with 11 and now 11 is smaller, then compare 11 with 44, obviously 11 is smaller, and our list is sorted right here. So now compare 82 with 63, 63 is smaller, then compare with 90, then compare 63, because if 63 is smaller out of these three values, then compare with 12, obviously 12 is smaller, then 12 compare with 44 and 12 is here. So now our list is sorted. So we are going to interchange the values, like we are going to store 5 into 0 index and 12 into second index, which is 0, 1, 2 and 3. Sorry, this is 6 indices and elements are 7. And now in pass 3, this part of the array is sorted, or this part of the list is sorted, and this part is not sorted, which is the right part is unsorted and left part of the list is sorted. Compare 82 with 90, then 63 and 60 and 44, 44 is here. So that's like you can sort by using selection sort, and here is the result. Like our array is sorted successfully: 5, 11, 12, 44, 63, 82 and 90. Now it's time for implementation. So the main algorithm or the main function is the same, and now create algorithm for selection sort. Select sort is the name of the algorithm, and formal parameters are integer type array, and second one is the size of the array, and here create local variables I for inner loop and location for the outer loop, and temp variable to interchange or swap the values. So for loop and inner for loop here. So here log is equal to 0, location plus plus, and log less than n times. Now, so starting point of the inner loop is from log plus 1 and I plus plus I less than n. So save it. Why starting point is I is equal to location plus 1? Because we are ignoring this part of the array, only sort this part of the array. So that's why this is more comprehensive or more efficient than bubble sort, but still this is not for the large amount of data. Now swap the values. If log is less than a of I, then temp store a of I is equal to a of log, and a of log is equal to temp, or the sign is depends on ascending and descending order, so you can change according to your problem. So run the program. Five, 11, 12, 63, 82 here. So I want to print the values like that. Print again. So print so cut here. So declare variable x here, x x x x, and the name of the array is a. So pass d. The value of pass is log, and write here new line for this, and also add new line here. Save it. Now run the program. So error because of this. Run the program. Printf new line. Save it and run again. Sorry for that, because only pass and remove, save it, just here, final or nothing. So here is the result of pass 0, pass 1, pass 2, pass 3, and this is the, remove this one, now run the program. So according to our plan, so 5, and then here is our actual array, and at pass 0 5 is sorted, at pass 1 5 and 11 2 elements are sorted, and pass 2 3 elements, then 4 and then 5, and then, so here is the mistake, cut this again, and so 12. So this is because change 6 elements to 7 and run this again. So now our array is successfully sorted. And look at here, our array is successfully sorted. So pass 6 is here. Thank you for watching this video.